Welcome all my dear students, welcome all. Everyone better please confirm me audio and video is crystal clear to all of you. Can we start today's session? Okay beta, fantastic, mind blowing, super. Very happy good evening beta, very happy good evening. Very happy good evening to all of you beta. Now we are in lecture number 18, Filtration and Numericals part 5th. And today we will finish this chapter. Okay. And I hope that till now in first, second, third, fourth part of this filtration chapter, everything, every concept is totally crystal clear to all of you beta. If you are feeling any doubt, feel free to ask me. Okay. So now I'm going to start lecture number 18. As you all know, this is Gaurav Shrestha sir from Indian Institute of India with 14 plus years of teaching experience with current year rank of AIR 43. And in a previous lecture, we had completed constant pressure filtration. Okay, so I hope everyone is crystal clear in that lecture. So just I want to show previous slides again. So overall pressure drop, and now this was the basic filtration equation you had seen, and I told you beta you have to remember this equation, very important. Only this equation can also be asked in your examination, two times already asked. Okay, and then two types of cake filtration you can do in industries. One is constant pressure filtration and the other one is constant rate filtration. First constant pressure filtration we had completed in our previous lecture, and very easy, just you had integrated this equation because delta p was a constant there, so no need to worry. You got a beautiful graph, and now some universal type numericals you had seen, that it can also be asked that t is proportional to v square, and then you had seen some initial volumetric flow rate concept, and that's it. Okay, so now today I'm going to start constant rate filtration. So one more time beta, please everyone tell me till now, no doubts, all concepts are crystal clear. Shall we move forward beta? Mehna Kiada, Shan Mukherjee, everyone please beta tell me, everyone, can we proceed? No doubts at all? Okay, crystal clear sir. Okay beta, so first we have to write that equation, dt by dv is equals to alpha mu cv upon a square delta p. That was basic filtration equation, dt by dv. Please write everyone this equation, don't see here. Okay, don't see here, and please write in your notebook. I want to check how much students able to write it, and then just compare with my equation. Okay, don't see, don't see here. Now just compare it and tell me you were correct or wrong. कंपेयर करके बताएंगे बेटा सभी लोग, यू आर गेटिंग करेक्ट और रॉन्ग. Correct, very good beta Roshna, very good, fantastic, super. Now beta see here, in this case this delta p is now not a constant value. This is a variable term here. This is a variable term. Delta p is now a variable term. But at the same time, if we are checking about this dt by dv, then its reciprocal is dv by dt here. And dv by dt is what? Volumetric flow rate in differential form. So if they are not changing with respect to time, so you can also write it like v by t na yaar. And what is v by t? This is volumetric flow rate at any time of filtrate, and clearly mentioned constant rate filtration. That means with respect to time, the value of dv by dt is not going to change. Are you getting my words beta? क्या समझ में आ रहा है आपको? What is this? What is this? ये क्या है? This is flow rate of filtrate, volumetric flow rate of filtrate. And just you had seen in our previous lecture that this is a constant value in case of constant rate filtration. So no need to worry. We can write dv by dt as a constant q. Are you getting my words? Everyone crystal clear beta? So here I can write again this delta p. I am taking common here, then it will be 1 by delta p, and now I am writing this delta p in left hand side. So it can be written as delta p, and that becomes equals to this is dt by dv. If I'm writing this in right hand side, then it will be dv by dt. So I can write now that alpha mu c into d v by dt and whole upon a square delta p v. This v is a variable one. This v is a variable one because this is the volume of filtrate collected. Total how much volume of filtrate collected, and plus here mu rm upon a, and here also you have to write what? dv by dt. Okay, and now beautiful thing is this dv by dt is a constant value. So again we can write the above equation in terms of q as delta p equals to alpha mu c, and now here what is beta? q. Alpha mu cq upon a square, no delta p here, sorry, please erase it here. Okay, so it's a square into v, and plus here you have to write mu rm into q by a. Just tell me beta, everyone feeling comfortability in this equation? No doubt at all. So this is your very very important equation beta. You need to remember it, that how you got it, because you can't remember so many equations here. You can't remember. Okay, so this is today's equation number 1 that you need to remember. Yeah, no, no, sorry, no need to remember. You have to see how you can get this equation in examination, because you have to remember only one equation, that is basic filtration equation. If you are going to remember all equations, definitely you are going to do mistake in examination beta. So please don't remember it. That's why I am dealing its derivation here. You have to derive in examination, because derivation will take hardly less than 30 seconds. Okay beta, so everyone able to get this equation in examination? Just tell me yes or no. Everyone please tell me beta. Everyone please tell me, everyone able to get this equation in examination beta? No doubts at all. Now in this equation, this delta p is a variable term. Yes, it is going to vary with respect to time, but no time parameter equation available in this beautiful equation. Time to hai hi nahi kahin. But instead of time, this volume is available there. That means total volume of filtrate collected, and definitely the total volume of filtrate collected that you are going to write here is a function of time, is a function of time. So that's very good for us. That means if we know how much volume of filtrate, total volume of filtrate collected at an instant of time, then you can easily calculate with the help of this equation what should be the value of delta p. Why? Because except these two terms, if you are checking other terms beta, see alpha is a constant value, mu is a constant value, c is a constant value, how much solid is available per meter cube of filtrate, volumetric fluid q is a constant value, area of your filtration equipment is also constant, mu is constant, filter media resistance is also constant, is not a function of time, q is also constant, a is also constant. That means again beta you are getting some equations like u y equals to mx plus c. एक बार फिर से आपको क्या मिल गया? अगेन यू आर गेटिंग वन इक्वेशन लाइक y इज इक्वल्स टू mx plus c. This is y, this is m, this is x, and now this is c. So this time, instead of x, on x-axis you are going to write what? V, how much volume of filtrate collected. And on y-axis you can draw one beautiful graph between this delta P and V. Are you getting my words beta? Bolo sabhi ko clear hai na? Everyone crystal clear? No doubts at all? So now I am going to draw this beautiful curve. यहीं पे draw कर देते हैं. Just focus here, my dear students. Just focus here. So this is your beautiful graph between delta P and V. And now this graph will be similar to your previous one. ये ग्राफ कैसा होगा बेटा? सेम टू सेम आपका जैसे आपने पिछला वाला ग्राफ प्राप्त किया था. But this time on y-axis you are going to take what? Delta P, that is pressure drop, and this is total pressure drop. This is not just pressure drop across cake. Okay, so it is total pressure drop. So delta P, and now here you are going to write V. Previous one was T by V versus V. T by V versus V. This time delta P versus V. But again the beautiful thing is that again you are going to get the same graph. Y is equal to mx plus c. But now one more difference is there. This time if you are going to write the value of intercept, then this c, how much value? See here. Intercept is mu. If I am writing again like a b, so this time our b dash is mu rm q by a. And what is the value of slope here? Slope. So slope this time is beta mu alpha mu c q by a square. Okay beta, is it crystal clear to all of you? Just tell me beta, everyone please tell me. No doubts at all beta? किसी बच्चा को कोई डाउट नहीं है ना? Shall we move forward beta? Shall we move forward my dear students? सभी लोग बताएंगे बेटा. Can we proceed? No doubts? No doubts? So you can't remember these things beta. You can't remember these things, but you can remember how I'm getting these things. And for that, just one thing you need to remember, one equation you need to remember, that is basic filtration equation. That's why I told you. Okay, no need to worry. Just you have to remember one equation. If you remembered one equation, everything you will be able to calculate in your examination. The parameters again having the same meanings, like capital V is a filtrate volume, mu is the filtrate viscosity, A is filter area, delta P is total pressure drop, that is delta PC plus delta PM, RM is filter medium resistance, alpha is specific cake resistance in millimeter per gauge, and C is average dry cake mass per unit volume of filtrate. Okay, so everything is remained same. Now again I want to do one beautiful analysis here about this filtration analysis. This time I am doing analysis for just delta PC. What is delta PC? See here beta. Here your delta P is what? This delta P is delta PC plus delta PM. And this both are present. Here both are present. Okay, delta PC is also present, delta PM is also present. And now I'm going to do something just for delta PC. Crystal clear sir, rearrange किया था pressure drop को left side. Very good बेटा. सर समझ आ गया सर, वेरी गुड बेटा. So delta PC, previously you had seen one beautiful expression was available for delta PC. So the question is, can we use that equation again here? Mu u alpha by a, did you remember? Mu u alpha by a, mu u alpha by a into mc. This actually mu v represented by v, जहाँ तक हमें याद आ रहा है u ने इस्तेमाल किया था. V represented by small v. PC upon mu u into a by mc. Did you remember बेटा? ये पीछे देखे थे ना हम लोग. at the start of everyone just tell me, just you remembered or not recall this equation? Just tell me yes or no in comment section. Everyone, please tell me beta. Everyone beta, please tell me. You can check in your notes and then tell me beta, अगर नहीं याद की हो अभी भी, हाँ? And this EMC was simply small cv. This EMC was a small c capital V. And one more thing I told you about this V. This V was nothing but dV by dt and whole upon A, or you can write just like V by T upon A. That means volume of filtrate collected in this time. It will remain same for this case only. So you can write V upon AT here. For this case you can write V by AT, because this is now not a function of time. Okay, the flow rate is constant. That means the velocity of filtrate is constant value for this case, for constant rate filtration. Okay. Yeah, I'm unable to see comments. I think internet is not working in my mobile. Kya? Please tell me to everyone. Wait. Okay, wait. The streaming is okay, beta. From my side, internet speed is also okay. Buffering. Okay, this time no buffering. This time audio video clear or not clear? Please tell me everyone. This time are you able to see? This time no buffering is there. Still waiting for your comments, because I am able to see my hand in mobile and no buffering here. See, constantly I am also seeing my lecture here. Okay, see my hand. Okay, crystal clear. Okay, but I told you about this equation that you had seen before, that basic filtration equation. Okay, now if you are dealing that equation again, but now for constant rate filtration, that means not just dv by dt, that is volumetric flow rate is a constant value. So just you can write any time value, and in that time value how much volume of filtrate collected. If you are dealing from 0 time, then you can write v by t instead of dv by dt here. So you can write by dv by dt by a. That means in place of this velocity we can write v by at. Why, sir? Because the velocity of filtrate here in case of constant rate filtration is a constant value. In case of constant pressure filtration, v is a function of time and decreases with respect to time in constant pressure. But here v is a constant value, q is a constant value. Arey bhai, q is equals to va, q is equals to q by a, and this q can be written as what? dv by dt. In our previous lecture definitely you had seen these things. Okay, is it clear to everyone beta? So I am using same equation, and now only difference comes here. That is, now I can write something in place of this v, and that is v by at. So mu alpha cv by a into v sorry v by at. Yeah, v by, no, cv v dv by dt dv by v by at. या करेक्ट. ओके, समझ रहे हो ना? देख लिया कुछ ऊपर नीचे मिस्टेक तो नहीं हो रही? वी स्क्वायर हो जाएगा ना? हाँ, वी स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, ए स्क्वायर टी. ओके, करेक्ट है. v by at, correct, v by at. So further dealing will give you delta pc, and that equals to mu alpha c V square upon A square T. Okay. Are you getting beta? Can we do this thing? The question is this. Everyone beta, please tell me. Can we write delta PC in this manner? Yes or no? The question is, can we do this analysis? Because in examination, lots of students are trying to do things like this manner. So can we proceed these things in this manner? Yeah. Bolo. Please tell me everyone beta. I'm giving you 1 minute. Just think about it. After this topic is completed, then we will enter in washing of the cake. If you are telling yes, everyone telling yes, then just tell me one thing. With respect to this equation represented that when t is increases, delta pc is decreases. Is it the right case? Is it correct? Is it correct for constant rate filtration? Yeah. जल्दी जल्दी बताओ बेटा. Is it correct for constant rate filtration? Yes or no? Tell me everyone beta. Is it correct or not correct? Not correct. But you told me, sir, it is correct. It is correct. But can you tell me what mistake you had done here? आपने से क्या mistake कर दिया in this derivation? If this is not correct, then just think about it and tell me what mistake you had done. Tell me, beta. Everyone, please tell me. Previous equation को भी लगाना पड़ेगा. Last 20 seconds. If you want to make any additional comment, then please tell me. So beta, this equation is correct. This equation is not wrong. Okay. So कभी कभी जो दिखाई देता है सामने से होता कुछ और है. So here equation is correct, but this is not correct. This is not correct, but equation is correct. How? How it is correct? Here, this t is not going to show you complete variation with respect to t. If you want to see that variation beta, in that case you have to put this v as q into t. What is v? V is q into t. So now this equation is correct, and maybe in books you can see this equation only, not that equation is present in q terms, and that's why few students asked me in offline classes that, sir, how this equation is correct, because sir, here with the help of this equation t increases, delta pc decreases. No beta, because v is also there. If t is represents 2 value, it will give you 4, 2 square value. How? See, now this equation is more easier form, mu alpha c, and in place of this you can write q, and we represented small q na yaar. So please write again small q. So here you can write beta v is equal to qt. So here you can write small qt, and now beta this is small qt square and whole upon a square t. Now you can see, further solving, it will give you delta pc is equals to mu alpha c, mu alpha c into q square upon a square into t. So beta, the pressure drop here with the help of this equation you can see varies linearly with respect to time. Are you getting my words beta? बोलो सभी को समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? And in previous case also you had seen pressure drop varies along with v, and the volume of filtrate collected with respect to any time. That is what? That is definitely the volume of filtrate is directly proportional to time. So here if linear, so definitely here also should be linear. See, again you are getting linear graph. So you can plot a beautiful graph again, but this time beta on y-axis delta pc is there, and here just t is present. And now you can plot this like this. At time t barabar 0, no pressure drop is there. Why? Because no cake is there. Yeah. When time is not started, operation is not started, then how cake is formed there? Yeah? So it is 0. It is 0. And the slope value just you can see from here beta, it's mu alpha c q square upon a square. So this one is also important. They can ask beautiful numericals based upon this equation too. बोलो सभी को crystal clear? Everyone crystal clear? Everyone crystal clear, my dear students? Shall we move forward? Shall we move forward? So next topic is, we heading dala, yeah, washing of filter cake. Till now please everyone confirm me beta, no doubts at all. Can we proceed? फिर से समझा दो सर बेटा, nothing special here. Okay, just I am putting in place of v qt. What is q? What is q? See here, what is q? This is q na yaar. This is q na. So for constant rate filtration you can write q is equals to v by t. So what is v? V is qt. So just you are putting v is equal to qt, and now your derivation is completed here in this line. Okay beta, is it crystal clear, Sriyan Mukherjee? And now see, mu alpha c q and a all are constant terms in case of constant rate filtration. So only the variable term is t. So how delta pc is going to vary? So sometimes in examination they are asking just about pressure drop across cake, and students worrying by using the complete equation. That complete equation, nothing is special there. वो सोचते हैं यार filter medium resistance is also there, then how we can neglect it? So what is the meaning of filter medium resistance if you are seeing only and only for cake? Okay, crystal clear sir, very good. So next topic is beta washing of filter cake. Now we are going to wash filter cake. Now we are going to wash filter cake. Okay, Your filter cake is just like, if you are feeling what is our filter cake, if you want to feel what is our filter cake, then better this filter cake is just like a packed bed, a packed bed, a packed bed, a packed bed in which solids are there and liquid are there. Okay, do you remember? Do we remember to this equation for beta? No need to remember these equations. You can't remember, yeah. You can't remember. You know, you are not able to. Definitely, will not able to remember lots of equations. So only we are going to remember equations that we can't derive in examination, or like some intermediate form, that is important one. So here again you can't remember, that's why I'm dealing these things in detailed manner. If they are asking in examination, you have to remember the equation for alpha, the equation for rm, the equation for basic filtration equation. These three equations better you have to learn, and remaining whenever asking in examination you are going to derive it, you are going to derive it. Okay, basic filtration equation you need to remember, you need to remember delta pm equation, rm equation, you need to remember alpha equation. Only these three equations if you remember, then in your examination any derivation you can easily perform in less than 30 to 45 seconds, because you can't remember beta क्या दाश को कान आप remember कर ही नहीं पाओगे इतने सारे equations को. This is just a chapter, lots of chapters are there, lots of subjects are there. Okay, is it crystal clear beta? बोलो clear है सभी को? Everyone crystal clear that how to recall this equation during examination time में इस equation को कैसे recall करोगे, how you are going to recall this? Okay, can we proceed my dear students? Please everyone confirm beta, can we proceed? So okay beta. So filter cake is just like packed bed, in which again two things are there. One thing is just solid particles. In your cake solid particles are there, and cake is totally dry, no, it also contains filtrate. So it also contains filtrate part, or you can write a liquid in it, liquid in it. That is your cake. Cake is wet, you know. So cake contains solid particles plus filtrate. That means just liquid. Liquid plus solid is cake. Liquid plus solid is cake. And mathematically, you know that for solid particles, you are going to use 1 minus epsilon term, because epsilon represents porosity, and porosity is the space available for liquid. That is porosity. Okay? Porous volume. Fraction. Fractional porous volume. This is filter cake. This is your filter cake. Now, if you want to wash your filter cake, maybe you are just going to remove filter cake directly. You are taking filter cake and remove it. Maybe this is the case, but not in all cases. So, washing of filter cake, why you want to wash filter cake? This is because of three reasons. If you are going to wash this filter cake, so three reasons of washing, three reasons to wash it. Please beta listen carefully, very important concepts I am describing here beta. Okay, so three reasons to wash this filter cake. If you want to wash this filter cake, then three reasons are there. Now one by one I am going to discuss all reasons. Reason number one, maybe in your cake the solids that are present there are very important for us, and we want that solid in pure form. So first we removed lots of amount of liquid with the help of filter, and now the remained residual amount of liquid that is available in cake, again we want to remove it. So for that purpose we are going to wash our filter cake. In हिंदी if you want to feel, आप क्या कर रहे हो, आपका सॉलिड जो केक के अंदर प्रेजेंट है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, a costly material, but still it contains some volume of filtrate or liquid. in it. That is not a if that is present there, solid is not pure. So in order to make it pure, we want to wash cake, and now it is no pure solid is there. So first one is solids are important. If solids are important for us, solids are important, then in this case, to pure it, to obtain pure solid, to obtain, to obtain pure solid. Okay, आपको क्या करना है बेटा? You want to obtain pure solid there, and solids are important for you. Okay, very good. Now the second thing, solids are not important. That is a waste material for us. Solid is totally waste for us. Just like chai patti. Chai patti. Solid is totally waste for us. But still, the filtrate or the liquid that is present in our solid or in our cake is little bit hazardous for nature, and we can't discard that cake if liquid is also present in it. So for that purpose, that means you can say to maintain pollution standard, to maintain pollution standard, to maintain pollution standard. If still solids are not important, still you are going to wash it. Still you are going to wash it. So this is the reason number two. Now the third reason is our liquid filtrate very costly, very costly for us. Even we can't afford to lose a single drop of that filtrate, that liquid. So we have to remove complete liquid from that cake before discarding that cake. So the third one is solution is very costly. Filtrate is very costly. Filtrate is very costly, very costly, so that you can't lose a single drop of it. So now you are going to recover it by washing. So in this case, you have to recover it. So this is a three important reasons that is behind washing of any filter cake. Okay, so please everyone confirm me, is it crystal clear to all of you? No doubts at all? Shall we move forward, beta? Shall we move forward? Okay, very good. Now the question is, for washing, what we can use as washing liquid? What we can use as a washing liquid? So here again, here again, either you can use simple some washing liquid. If just written for washing, एक मिनट रुक जाओ, यहाँ पे लिख लें. If you are going to wash, if you are going to wash, so just if you are using some washing liquid, so washing liquid means in this filtrate chapter, that means you are using simply water here in order to remove, in order to clean your cake. Okay, in order to clear. Any example for first case? Which first case यार? कोई ऐसा केस ही नहीं अप्लाई किया. अच्छा, ये सॉलिड्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट. अरे बहुत सारे देख सकते हो यार, क्या दास जी. कोई सा भी एग्जांपल ले लो, लाइक इन फर्टिलाइजर यू आर टेकिंग, लाइक फर्टिलाइजर जैसे एक होता है वो आप फिल्टर जब करते हो, कौन सा फिल्टर लगाते हो? टिल्टिंग पैन फिल्टर, टिल्टिंग पैन फिल्टर. Okay, so in that case you are going to remove, You can take any number of examples, just you can search on Google. This is not important for gate examination. So if theoretical part you want to make more and more theory here, you can write examples along with each of these three. Okay, this is not important. That's why I'm not writing example with each one, that in which case solids are not important. Many of examples, more than 15-20 examples you can find it. Okay beta. So washing liquid, that is water. Washing liquid, that is water here. And suppose the cleaning of cake is not easy for you. The cleaning of cake is not easy for you, and water is not a suitable solvent there. So now you are going to use some other type of liquid, and that liquid is simply known as solvent. If I am telling I am using solvent for washing, that means I am using, instead of water, some other liquid for washing it. If I am telling washing liquid used, so generally the meaning of washing liquid is water. Okay, are you getting my words beta? Please everyone tell me beta, are you getting my words? No doubts at all. Please tell me everyone beta, everyone. Wait. Just wait, I'm just adding few more slides here. Okay, just wait few more second beta. Processing is going on, you can take or drink water. Okay, done. So either you can use washing liquid or you can use solvent. When you are going to use solvent, when oh my god, I need one more minute, just not 1 minute, few second. Battery is low, by mistake forget to plug in. Just wait few seconds. Okay, done. Hmm. कहाँ गया रे भाई? Okay. हाँ, चलो. So washing liquid, or either you can use solvent. Now if someone asks you what should be the value of total time of washing, total time of washing, then how to calculate it beta? How to calculate it? Total time of washing, TW, washing time. So very easy. Just you need two things. How much wash water used by you? Wash water quantity used. Wash water used, or you can say any washing liquid used. Okay, washing liquid used. Either washing liquid or solvent used. Okay. So it will be easier to understand. Washing liquid used. How much washing liquid used? Okay, suppose the washing liquid used is 10 meter cube here. Upon rate of washing, rate of washing, that means at which flow rate you are going to fed that washing liquid. Suppose I am telling at 2 meter cube per second. This is rate of washing. So see here beta, how much time it will take? 5 seconds. So just very easy, very easy to write this equation. So I hope everyone is crystal clear about it, that how we can calculate total time of washing. For this you need to think how much washing water used or washing liquid used, and the second thing, what is the rate of washing. Okay, what is the rate of washing? Soon I will tell you how to calculate rate of washing. Yeah. Okay. Now now the next one is quantity, quantity of wash water. If you are going to compare, if you are going to compare the quantity of wash water with volume of solution present in cake or volume of filtrate present in cake, volume of filtrate present in cake, present in cake, like my dear students, suppose this is your porous media, and this is your cake, this is your cake. Okay, so inside this cake, suppose I am telling 0.5 meter cube, 5.5 meter cube filtrate is there. Okay, so in order to wash or in order to recover this 0.5 meter cube filtrate, you need so too much amount, too much higher amount in comparison to that amount of filtrate that is available there of wash water. So if someone asks you the comparison between these two, then this one having much larger value in comparison to volume of filtrate present in cake. बोलो बेटा, सभी को क्लियर है? Everyone crystal clear बेटा? Everyone crystal clear? Chal, very good. So washing steps, how we are going to wash it. So next beautiful heading is beta washing steps, washing steps. Now if you are going to wash your cake, then two types of washing you can do there. Maybe two different type of washing, or maybe just in same case you are going to do both steps, and maybe your second step is not required for any cases. So one is better simple washing, that is displacement washing. Displacement washing. Displacement washing. By displacement washing, approximately 80 to 85% of the filtrate you are able to remove. Approx 80 to 85 or up to 90 in some cases. This is a general range. Okay, 80 to 85% filtrate that is trapped inside your cake you are able to remove from your cake. आप केक से 80 से 85% फिल्ट्रेट के मात्रा को रिमूव कर पाते हो इस डिस्प्लेसमेंट वॉशिंग की मदद से. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज दिस डिस्प्लेसमेंट वॉशिंग. So just focus here on this diagram. Suppose beta this is your cake. What is this? This is your cake beta. This is your cake, and definitely in this cake lots of solid particles are there here. Lots of solid particles are there, and also between among these solid particles, among these solid particles, your solvent is also trapped there. See, these are trapped, these are trapped inside this filtrate. Sorry, filtrate is trapped here, and you want to remove it. So now what you are going to do here beta, in order to remove it, you are going to use washing liquid. You are going to use washing liquid, and now they are moving towards these spaces, and now they are taking place of these filtrate, and they are displacing it. They are, what they are doing, they are displacing it. They are displacing it, and they are forcefully tell that please filtrate, go out. So you are getting from here filtrate plus washing liquid. Are you getting my words, beta? Are you getting my words? What I want to tell you, beta? Please, everyone, tell me, beta. Everyone, please tell me, beta. After every step, please tell me crystal clear, because this is a very, very complex topic, and you can ask with many, many, many students, beta. Only few know everything about this filtration chapter. So this chapter is little bit difficult, but not as you are thinking that very, very difficult chapter. Chapter बहुत आसान है. Filtration is very, very easy. Just you have to focus, and just that's why I'm telling you, I'm asking after every step, beta, is it crystal clear? So please be active in comment section, beta. So what here you are doing, actually washing liquid is going to take place, and here you are displacing that filtrate that is trapped inside your cake with the help of that washing liquid. So this type of washing is known as displacement washing. This type of washing is known as displacement washing. Okay, but the problem is, with this displacement washing, lots of places are there in that cake where these wash waters will be unable to reach. भाई ऐसा बहुत सारा प्लेस होगा, ऐसे तो ना वॉश वाटर डाल दिया तो हर जगह पहुंच जाएगा ये. It is not going in that manner, because during washing you don't want to disturb cake. Like, you don't want to mix it, you don't want to mix it. Okay, you don't want to mix with washing liquid. आप केक को वॉशिंग लिक्विड के साथ मिक्स नहीं कर देना चाहते, तो लाइक यूजिंग इम्पेलर एंड मिक्स इट, that will make it very, very complex again for separation of that solvent. So you don't want to disturb the cake. Cake is still there like a cake, and you are using that wash water, and that wash water is traveling from the pores available in that cake. The wash water is traveling from the pores available in that cake. You don't want to disturb cake. Cake is still looks like cake. Okay, you are not going to make very, very large flow rate so that now cake is totally disturbed. Are you getting my words, everyone, beta? Okay, crystal clear, sir. So if in simpler manner you are sending that washing liquid, then they maybe the cases there that lots of places here where this wash liquid is unable to reach, and these are known as pockets. The technical name for this filtration chapter for that part of your cake is known as pockets. If someone asks you what is the pocket in cake, pockets in cake, so the pocket is the that region of cake where washing liquid is unable to reach, where washing liquid is unable to reach. That portion, that region is known as pocket of our cake. Okay, beta? Simplest, very, very simplest explanation I had given. So I hope everyone is feeling totally crystal clear. Okay. Now, how to remove, sir? How to remove? How to remove the filtrate that is available in that trapped cake, that pockets that is trapped in that pocket? So can you suggest me any technique? This technique is your fun, common sense. You can give answer. You can give answer. Okay. So just try to give answer. I'm giving you 20-second max. Okay, crystal clear, very good, beta. So can you suggest me a technique to remove that filtrate without disturbing cake? Again, I'm repeating, without disturbing cake. You have to remove filtrate that is trapped in pocket. ओके आपको उस पॉकेट से रिमूव करना है उस केक को जो वहाँ फंसा हुआ है. केक को डिस्टर्ब नहीं कर सकते हो. ऐसा नहीं कि केक को इम्पेलर लगा के पूरा घुमा के कर ले, वॉशिंग लिक्विड हर जगह पहुँच जा. So how you are going to remove? Same thing I am telling in Hindi, and if any time I'm using Hindi, so don't worry English learners, I'm just explaining same thing in Hindi language. So please everyone tell me beta. If don't know, then write R in comment section. If don't know, then write R in comment section. See, see, this is your pocket. This is your pocket, cake pocket. Okay, and now if I'm allowing this washing liquid to travel around this pocket, it can't reach to this pocket, but it is traveling around this pocket, na yaar. It is traveling around this pocket. Washing liquid is traveling around this pocket. So here, if inside this pocket the concentration of your filtrate is Ca1, then here concentration is Ca2, and definitely after very long time, because at the start displacement washing is done. Now the place from where your washing liquid is traveling, residual amount of filtrate is trapped there. So definitely here Ca1 is much higher in comparison to this Ca2. That means here one beautiful thing is there, that is concentration difference is there, or you can say concentration gradient is now formed there. Concentration gradient is nothing but concentration difference per unit length. Concentration difference per unit length you will see in mass transfer a subject in detailed manner beta. So what happens here? Now it is now traveling. It starts traveling. Why it starts traveling? Due to concentration difference from that pocket. Washing liquid is unable to reach there. Washing liquid is unable to reach there. But now one beautiful phenomena is started here, that is known as diffusion. Mass transfer re bhaiya. Now what is happening here? Mass transfer. Mass transfer. Diffusion. Here what happens? Now diffusion occurs here. Now diffusion occurs here. So the second technique, my dear students, is diffusion. The second step is diffusion. And definitely if you are going to compare the amount of water used in these two cases beta, then here for this step very large amount of very, because diffusion is a very slow process, you will see in mass transfer operation subject. Here AD diffusion is not here simple molecular diffusion is occurring. Okay, simple molecular diffusion is occurring. So molecular diffusion is a very slow process. If it is a very slow process, so the filtrate that is trapped in pocket is going to travel through diffusion to that main stream of washing liquid very very slowly. So you need to maintain the flow rate of washing liquid for a very long time. That means in this manner very large amount of very large amount of washing liquid used here for this second step, washing liquid used. And in this compare, if you are going to compare with displacement washing, here less amount of less amount less amount of washing liquid required, less amount of washing liquid required. Okay beta. So diffusion is the phenomena of mass transfer operation in which the transfer of any component is occurs from high concentration to low concentration in order to remove this concentration difference beta. कहीं भी देख लो एक like in two rooms if you are going to write, see, this is room number 1, this is room number 2. Okay, and now here suppose 10% ammonia is there, 90% air is there, and here 50% ammonia, 50% air. If you are going to join these two rooms, automatically ammonia starts traveling here and air starts traveling here. Why? In order to maintain it, in order to reduce or remove this concentration difference. This is known as beta diffusion. This is known as diffusion. So here diffusion occurs. आपका वॉशिंग लिक्विड जा रहा है और बगल में वह ट्रैप्ड वाले से सट के जा रहा है, तो ट्रैप्ड में से निकल निकल के धीरे धीरे आपका फिल्ट्रेट डिफ्यूज होता जाएगा किसमें? वॉशिंग लिक्विड में। वॉशिंग लिक्विड फिर उसको लेकर के धीरे धीरे बाहर निकलता रहेगा। ओके एवरीवन, क्रिस्टल क्लियर बेटा? शैल वी मूव फॉरवर्ड बेटा? श्यान मुखर्जी प्लीज टेल मी बेटा, shall we move forward my students? Shall we move forward, my dear students? No doubts at all. And one more thing, my dear students, here, if no pockets are present and plug flow means what is the meaning of plug flow behavior? You will see in CRE subject in detailed manner. Plug flow means all washing water is traveling like same manner, that here washing water present here up to this distance, here only up to this distance. This is not the case. If here up to this distance, here also up to this distance, here also up to this distance, here also up to this distance, this is a plug flow. And if this is the case, then in this case 100% you are able to remove 100% cleaning, 100% cleaning done only by displacement washing, only by displacement washing. Yeah, but a simple diffusion occurs. Okay, so now please tell me, beta, everyone crystal clear? Shall we move forward, beta? Shall we move forward? Shall we move forward, beta? Now, one more thing, one more word comes here, trade off. During washing, one word used, that is trade off. What is the meaning of trade off? If someone asks you what is the meaning of a word trade off, ट्रेड ऑफ का क्या मतलब होता है, what is the meaning of trade off? So my dear students, you are using wash water or any washing liquid, definitely that is not free. That is not free. Even if you are going to use water, that is not free for you. You are going to first take that water by water tax, and also then you are going to purify that water in order to remove solids present in that water, like demineralized DM water, polished water. So water is also cost. Any washing liquid that you are using there, some money is required. And you the filtrate that is you are removed filtrate cost and cost of washing liquid, okay, that is used in order to remove that amount of filtrate from cake. अरे भाई वॉशिंग लिक्विड आपने कितना इस्तेमाल किया, वो कितने रुपए का इस्तेमाल किया, और उसका इस्तेमाल करके कितने रुपए के फिल्ट्रेट को सेव किया. If the cost of washing liquid is higher than this, then this is known as trade off. Then only you are going to use this step if government force you that please maintain pollution standard, use filtrate, or your liquid that is present in cake is hazardous for environment. So please, you can't discard it directly into river or any places. You have to remove completely. You have to remove complete filtrate from it, or up to some tolerable limit. Okay. Otherwise, when trade-off comes, you are going to left. Oh, 10% filtrate is still on cake. Oh, left. Because now, in order to remove that 1 rupee filtrate, because now see na, you have to do this second step of washing, and in that huge amount of washing liquid required. So only you are going to do if someone force you or your filtrate is very costly for you. बोलो बेटा सभी को क्लियर? एवरीवन क्रिस्टल क्लियर बेटा? Shall we move forward, my dear students? Shall we move forward? Please, everyone, tell me. No doubts at all. Yes, sir. Okay, fantastic, mind blowing, super. So, next beautiful heading is methods of washing. Methods of washing. इसी पेज पे लिख लो, methods of washing. So in industries, generally two methods are used. The method number one is simple washing. Simple washing. And the method number 2 is through washing. This simple washing is generally used in all types of filters like rotary drum, leaf filter, all filters except plate and frame filter press. Okay, so the first one is used in leaf filter and also all other filters that you had seen here, and this one is used in plate and frame filter press. Plate and frame filter in which one separate plate is also available there from where you are going to uh, provide washing liquid. So plate and frame filter. Okay, so what is simple washing, what is through washing now? So next heading is simple washing. Simple washing. Simple washing. So what is simple washing? Simple washing means simple. Wash liquid you are going to uh, send there through the same channel where from where slurry is coming. So wash liquid through the same channel as the slurry. Wash liquid through the same channel. Wash liquid through the same channel. Through the same channel as the feed slurry. As the feed slurry. Okay, so simple washing is there. Simple washing. Okay, now the problem here is if someone asks you at which rate you are going to apply your washing liquid, that means rate of washing, then how to get it? Now tell me one thing, beta. You want washing very slow or very fast? Just tell me, very slow or very fast? Which type of washing you want? Very slow or very fast? In industry, you want to save time or you want to just kill time? Very easy question. Very easy question. Just tell me. You want to kill time or you want to save time in industry? Rate of washing fast. Common sense here. Common sense. I hope and 100% vote will be there. Okay. So what should be the maximum rate at which we can fed our washing liquid so that cake must not be disturbed? Not should, it must not be disturbed. Cake disturb नहीं होना चाहिए. Cake should not be disturbed, must not be disturbed. So can you tell me that rate of washing? Yes, yes. That rate of washing should be somehow related with rate of filtration. Rate of filtration. But when? Rate of filtration when? At the end of filtration. Where you are ending your filtration and now you are going to start washing. If your cakes are not going to disturb by that flow rate, that means wash water is also not going to disturb your cake with that flow rate. Are you getting my words, beta? That's why rate of washing we are going to take equals to rate of filtration at the end of filtration. Rate of filtration at the end of filtration. Is it crystal clear to all of you, beta? Is it crystal clear to all of you, beta? So at the end of filtration means now you have to check what was the total amount of filtrate collected. That is VF, V final, V total how much, or VT total how much filtrate you are collected, V final. So what was rate of filtration here? Did you remember about this rate of filtration? Yeah, dt by dv is equals to kv plus b. So d v by dt will be 1 by kp v plus b. So ये लो भैया 1 upon k p v plus b. But now my dear student, This is not V, this is now V final. How much total amount of filtrate you had collected? That means at the end of filtration, no? So at the end of filtration, what is the value of V? V is total V. Are you getting my words, beta? Are you getting my words? Why I am writing here rate of washing as 1 upon kpvf plus B, and this Be was, yeah, this B was 1 by q naught, 1 by q naught. I hope everyone is crystal clear here. Everyone is crystal clear. Very important. So many PYQs already asked from this beautiful topic, beta. So please don't forget it. Very, very important here. This is very, very important. This is very, very important here. Okay. So shall we move forward, my dear students? Everyone crystal clear about this rate of washing. And now if you know the rate of washing, then time of washing, you can easily calculate time of washing for simple washing. So time of washing will be very easy, very easy. TW, very easy. It's washing liquid used upon rate of washing. That's it. Okay, beta, done. Everyone crystal clear, beta? Can we proceed? Can we proceed, beta? Just one final topic is there, that is through washing. Oh, wait, I have to add one more slide here. Okay, so next one is beta through washing. This one is also very, very easy. Through washing, and you have to remember that through washing is used for plate and frame filter press. Plate and frame filter press, through washing you are going to use for plate and frame filter press. And here now washing liquid is introduced through a separate channel. Washing liquid is introduced through a separate channel, like you had seen in plate and frame filter press. Now in this case, if you want to write expression for rate of washing, then no need to worry, beta. Again it will remain similar, like here you are writing again rate of filtration, rate of filtration at the end, at the end. That means when V is VF, but here one factor comes 1 by 4. That means 1 by 4 of rate of filtration. That means after calculation completely you can write 1 by 4 kp vf plus 1 by q naught, or you can write just B, or you can write just B. So just you need to remember that here one more parameter that you are using is 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Now the question may arise in your mind, why this 1 by 4 comes here. So just focus here, my dear students, why it is coming. Why you are giving one fourth, like if final rate of filtration is 10 meter cube per second, so you are sending liquid at 2.5 meter cube per second. What is the reason behind it? So for that you have to draw that plate and frame filter press. So this was your filter, that is present in your frame, and simultaneously on both sides cakes are formed. Simultaneously on both sides cakes are formed, and one time will come when they are going to touch to each other, jammed. Okay, it is not jammed. So this is your cake. Simultaneously it is going to form on both sides, and from here you are getting filtrate. Very good, very good, very good. Now it's time to clean it because it is jammed now. It is jammed now. So what happens there? Now you are providing washing liquid from plates, from the pores that is present there. Washing liquid. Now just focus here, beta. For a single frame, wash water that you are going to use here, half from this side, half from this side. That means now from one side wash water you are going to give by 2, and it is going to affect only half of cake na yaar. If cake thickness is L, then now it is just going to touch L by 2 part na yaar, L by 2 part only. So because of this 1 by 2 factor, here one more factor will come, that is 1 by 4. Okay, and no need to see again these things, just you have to remember, just remember it, that 1 by 4 is for which case? When plate and frame filter press is there. When plate and frame filter press question asked in your examination. Okay, plate and frame filter press. Is it crystal clear to all of you, beta? Is it crystal clear, my dear students? Now the final thing here is filtration cycle time. It can also be asked in your examination. What is the value of filtration cycle time? That means one cycle completion. So in one cycle, first you are going to do filtration. Second, washing time. Are you removed your cake during washing time? Just tell me yes or no. Is cake removed during washing time? Just tell me yes or no in comment section, beta. Is cake removed during washing? Or is it still available in your filter? Is it still available in your filter or it is removed? Just tell me, beta. थोड़ा जल्दी कमेंट किया करो बेटा. Try to give comments little bit faster. No, of course no. So cleaning time is also required na yaar. So cleaning time is also required na. So maybe in your numerical they are asking you filtration cycle time, and in that case they will provide you the cleaning time there. Okay, so total filtration cycle time is, can be written as filtration time, filtration time plus washing time, washing time plus cleaning time, plus cleaning time. I hope everyone is crystal clear in super manner here. Please tell me बेटा सभी को clear? Done? Yeah, crystal clear. So complete. Theory is completed. Theory is completed. Now tell me. No doubts at all? No doubts at all? Done? Okay. Now, if you want to write some examples, just I told you that you can write from your internet, that is not required for you. But if you asked, so I can't leave it, because still I feel that I have some time left in lecture. So when solids are important, many industries are there where solids are important. Like if you want to write, you can write here as an example, pharmaceutical industries. Pharmaceutical industries. You can write bit of food industries. Okay, farmers, and two examples are more than sufficient. Okay, so what you are going to do in pharmaceutical industries, beta? In pharmaceutical industries, you are going to wash antibiotic crystals to remove any amount of residual solvents, or if any byproduct is there, in order to make it medically grade purity. Medical grade purity, medically the purity that is required. In food industry, suppose you are going to take example of simple table salt NaCl. So you are going to wash them in order to separate it from magnesium and calcium impurities that is present in that salt. Okay, now the second one is wastewater and chemical manufacturing. Waste water treatment, or during some chemical manufacturing, etc. Many examples where you can find. Many examples you can find when solids are not important. Okay, so you all know, yeah, when you are going to do wastewater treatment, then washing sludge in order to remove heavy metals like lead, mercury, for safe discharge. For chemical manufacturing, if you want to remove some acidic residues from effluent. What is effluent? The effluent that is directly you are going to discard in some river or some type of source of water. आप क्या करते हो, इफ्लुएंट जो इन इंडस्ट्री से गंदा कचरा निकल रहा है पानी के रूप में नाले से बाहर को जा रहा है, दैट इज इफ्लुएंट. सो यू आर गोइंग टू क्लीन इट if any type of acidic residue is available in that industrial effluent. Now, if liquid is costly, where liquid is costly, like mining, like biofuel productions, mining, mining, or biofuel productions, etc. Okay, so you are going to mine. You are taking example like you are extracting gold. Yeah, you are extracting gold. You know, na gold is available with lots of other materials like cyanide, etc. Okay, cyanide, etc. And these residues you can easily wash with the help of wash water. That is mining. That is mining. And for biofuel production, recover, you want to recover ethanol. Ethanol is present in lignocellulose, biomass. Okay, beta, is it crystal clear? Examples are crystal clear to all of you, beta? Examples सभी को clear हो गए ना? But no need to remember these examples actually. In gate examination they're not going to ask examples. Okay, but you ask, that's why I'm giving here, invest few more time here. But this is not important, that's why I leave that part. Okay, but no need to worry, if you are asking then I am giving answer. So now few beautiful numericals here, beta. This numerical, beautiful numerical I made it for you. Complete fundamental, you will see sargun sampanna question I make it, because in this same question you will see specific cake resistance, filter medium resistance. Then if you are making like 20 frame fillet and frame filter press, what will happen if further increasing that question, time of washing, total filter cycle time, and then followed by this pyq, and then homework questions. These are homework questions: 157, 58, 59, 60, 61, then 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. Then five questions, a small one from previous topic, and these from this topic some pyqs. Remaining pyqs I will also share as a pdf in your telegram group. Okay, apart from these जितना यहाँ लगा लिया इसके अलावा few more PYQs are there, approximately 17 to 18 more questions are there. I will share that PDF in your group. If any doubt you can just solve it. If any doubt, no need to worry, you can ask me anytime. Okay, first I will try to give solution just by my handwriting or just by taking picture from my book, my written book. So वहाँ से लेके आपको हम solution directly provide कर देंगे अगर if you are able to understand by just that written solution, right, crystal clear. Otherwise you can ask me in any live doubt clearing session. Okay, I will tell you how we can solve and why. If you're feeling difficulty in any steps or how this step you had done, I will tell you there. Okay, so no need to worry for that. So see whether this is beautiful question, very very good question is here. And I'm not going to give you time to solve this, just I'm giving a 2 minute, just think about it and try to write expressions. Okay, just 2 minute I'm giving here. Okay, just 2 minute I'm giving here. So wait, I have to add some timer here, yeah, because no need to waste time, because I know most chances are there that unable you will be unable to solve, because this is just problem number one, and because topic is not as much easier as our previous topics. So just I'm giving you 2 minutes in order to read this question and feel this question. Okay, so this is timer. I'm giving just 2 minutes to read it. After that I will solve this question. Just read it and extract data from this question here. Problem is very very easy, very good question. Done beta, no need to solve, don't try it, just try to get data, extract data, and just try to recall which equation you can use here in order to get the value of specific cake resistance and a filter medium resistance. Okay, done. Now just focus here, please stop writing beta. Very good Ashan, because you're absolutely correct. But is it complete equation that you are going to use in terms of dd by vdv, or you are going to solve that equation? You have no equation for specific equations, and why you are worrying about that dt by dv here completely? Here in your given question, if you are going to extract data, then clearly you can see data, lots of data are available there. Okay, so just wait, I solved this question just to save some time. So just I am adding that slide here beta. Just see, this is your question, this is your solution. Okay, processing is going on here. Okay, just that's it, problem completed, solution completed. Now just focus here, I am going to discuss this solution in detailed manner. How I solved this. So first I extracted all data. So calcium carbonate slurry in water is to be filtered using constant pressure filtration. Very good. Constant pressure filtration, that means we can use T by V equation. In a plate and frame filter press at 299.5 Kelvin. No need to worry about temperature because we know in our filtration chapter no equation we got in terms of temperature. The pressure drop is maintained at 338 kilopascal. Kilopascal is not SI unit, as not MKS unit. MKS unit is just Pascal. So I am extracting the first data, delta P, and delta P is 338,000 Pascal. First data extracted. Now the filter, wait, processing is going on here. Okay, done. The filter area of the plate and frame filter press is 0.0439 meter square. Okay, so next data I extracted area 0.0439 meter square, and the slurry concentration was 23.47 kilogram per meter cube of filtered. Oh my god, this is a small CR. Yeah, this is small c, 23.47 kilogram per meter cube. Okay, now the value of the slope and intercept of the graph between T by V versus V. Did you remember the graph? What was slope? Slope was Kp. No, it was Kp by 2. So here, this silly mistake you can do in examination. So be careful with this step. So Kp by 2, that is Kp by 2, that is given here. What is this? This is your slope given here. What is this? This is intercept value given here. Intercept value given here in this unit. Automatically if you're going to cut units you will get this value, these values. Okay, viscosity is also given in your question. Where is viscosity? Yeah, this is viscosity, and not this data is given. Actually, to solve this question no need to use this data because in this question directly slope and intercept values are there. यार ये क्या हो रहा है, रुक जाओ एक मिनट, आई वांट टू सेव स्लाइड्स. Many times it is taking processing again and again. Just wait few seconds, beta. Just wait. It's done. Done. Okay. Now, a specific cake resistance you want to calculate. No need to worry here. No need to worry. Just focus here, my dear students. Kp value is 6 into 10 raised to power 6. Why? Because Kp by 2 value is 3 into, so 2 multiplied by 3. No need to worry. And we know what is Kp. Kp is mu alpha c upon a square delta p. Mu alpha cv upon a square delta p. Out of this, mu alpha c upon a square delta p, that was your Kp. So just in this equation, you are going to solve this for this alpha. So alpha is equals to Kp, that is 6 into 10 raised to power 6 into a square delta p upon mu c. A is there, delta p is also there, mu is also there, beta, c is also there. How easy it is. Just you are putting all values, you will get your answer. Very easy. Now slope is also given. Slope is mu rm upon a delta p. Mu is there, rm mu is there, p is there, a is there, delta p is there. One equation, one unknown, rm. Just you are going to put values, you will get your answer. Is it crystal clear to all of you? Beta, please tell me everyone. Solution is crystal clear. Sabhi ko clear hai how I solved this question? It's very easy now. I think here the things are not visible. Wait. Okay, now it is visible. So everyone crystal clear beta in this solution? No doubts at all? Please tell me everyone beta. No doubts? So just formula based question and intercept slope type questions many times asked in your examination. In last 5 years also you can find one beautiful question. Okay. Done. Yeah, expressions you need to remember. You need to remember expressions here. Hmm? And nothing is special, because in your gate exemption many times extra data is given. If intercept value and that value is not given, intercept and slope, then you need to take any one value from there and you have to put there in your t by v expression. That t, that v, in order to get the values of unknowns, intercept and slopes, two equations will be formed there, and after solving two equations you will get the value of intercept and slope. Okay. हाँ इजी था बट याद रहना चाहिए एग्जाम में. दैट्स व्हाई आई टोल्ड यू यू हैव टू रिमेंबर बेटा, अदरवाइज forget 2 number 2 marks. Okay, so you need to remember. That's why I told you you need to remember, and you will be able to remember this how? Only with the help of basic filtration equation. You need to remember basic filtration equation only, and just make sure that this silly mistake you are not going to do, because if I am telling that, means lots of the students already done this silly mistake. Okay, shall we move forward, my dear students? Everyone please tell me beta. Waiting for your comments, my dear students. Shall we move forward? Crystal clear. Okay, done. So now, next question, beta. A 20 frames plate and frame filter press with 0.873 meter square area per frame to filter same slurry as in the previous example. Assuming same filter cake properties with same constant pressure and filter cloth, calculate time in second required to recover 3.37 meter cube of filtrate. Just read it. I am giving you 30 seconds, then I will solve this. And don't worry, same type of one beautiful question, complete question I make here. One beautiful question for your homework. Okay, so you have to solve this question as your homework. If unable to solve, no need to worry. I will explain it. Okay, so that's why here I am not giving you time. I am solving it. Okay, so अभी क्या बोल रहा है? क्वेश्चन समझ लें बस. Just try to read this question, what asked here, then I will tell you solution, explanation. In the previous case it was written, but only a plate and frame filter press you are using, and there is nothing mentioned in the previous case. See, ये क्यों बार बार प्रोसेसिंग ले ले रहा है जी आज? रुक जाओ अभी. Few seconds बेटा. Okay, now see here, in previous case just written the filter area of the plate and frame filter press is this one. That's it. But now here written 20 frame and frame plate and frame filter press is now used with 0.873 meter square area per frame to filter same slurry as in the previous example. Assuming same filter cake properties with same constant pressure and filter cloth, calculate time required to get 3.37 meter cube of filtrate. Now how to solve this? How to solve this? The beautiful question is there. So because constant pressure filtration is there, so we know. Wait, I want few more space here. So please come here. Okay, now see here. So we know the expression for constant pressure. We know the expression for constant pressure filtration. That was T by V is equals to Kp by 2 V plus B. I hope everyone remember this equation. And what was Kp? What was V? Absolutely clear to all of you. Now here the question is, what is the area now? New area. Only the things that changes here is area. So what is new area now? 0.873 meter square it is available per frame, and total number of frames 20 frames, so multiply with 20, it will give you better total area. So 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 1 17. So now it is coming 17.46 meter square. This is total new area. So when area changes only, how to solve that question? Sometimes in examination maybe you feel too much difficulty, but no need to worry. Now only the things that changed here is the value of your kp and the value of your b. Now you're not going to use your previous kp and previous b. Why, sir? Wait, you know the expression for kp? See, this was the expression mu alpha c, mu alpha c, mu alpha c upon a square delta p, and this a square was a older one, a old one, previous question a. And now for b it's mu rm beta a delta p, so mu rm upon a delta p. So maybe in your examination beta they are providing the value of kp and b, so no need to calculate again it. Okay, just you know values, so you have to multiply that value. See beta, see in your question, how I am solving, see what data I am using. Just I am using this data, and this was 3 into 10 raised to power something, and but here 2 was there, so multiplied with 2, and this value is also given directly. So just the time that I took, see, I the short trick here that I'm going to multiply it with a old square upon a new square. Now in this manner it's now kp new, it's now b new. Are you getting my words better? And here also in short trick, just no need to solve it completely, just multiply the that value with a old upon a new. A old cancelled, see a new is here. Now you will get b new, you will get b new. Okay, so what data I am going to extract from there? The first data that I am getting, 3 into 10 raised to power 6 into 2, that means 6 into 10 raised to power 6. So its value is 6 into 10 raised to power 6 into a old was how much? A old was 0.0439, 0.0439, 0.0439, and a new just we got 17.46. So here also it's square, and here again this intercept was given how much? See b was given how much? 6400 second per meter square mks. Okay, so 6400 multiplied with a old, that is 0.0439 beta, and whole upon 17.46. Easiest manner to solve this question. Okay, बोलो सभी बच्चा लोगों को क्लियर है? एवरीवन फीलिंग कंफर्टेबल, क्रिस्टल क्लियर? नाउ प्लीज टेल मी द वैल्यू ऑफ केपी न्यू. सभी लोग जरा इसको कैलकुलेट करो. आई कांट कैलकुलेट इट जस्ट बाय माउथ. ओके, so please tell me what is the value of kp new and b new you are getting. Tell me beta kp new first, up to two decimal place, at least up to two decimal place. kp new value, kp new. कितना टाइम लगता है यार? यू आर टेकिंग टू मच टाइम. इतनी देर में तो हम ही लगा लिए होते यार कैलसी उठा करके. टेल मी बेटा केपी न्यू अप टू टू डेसिमल प्लेस. कितना है रे भाई केपी न्यू? 6 into 10 raised to power 6 into 0.0439 9 square upon 17.46 46 square. Yeah, I'm also getting 37.93. Very good, beta. And the second one, my dear students, second one, beta, second per meter power 6. Unit will remain same. Tell me second one. B new. How much? 16.0. No. Okay, well, 16.09. 16.09. And the unit of B was second per meter cube. Okay, very good. Now, here in your problem asked about time. So for T, you can write it as K P V square by 2 plus B V. Now put all values here. The value of new Kp, that is 37.93, into the value of V. So you want to recover 3.37 meter cube of filtrate upon 2 plus the value of B 16.09 into 3.37 meter cube. Now tell me beta how much second? Tell me answer, everyone, please tell me answer. Up to one decimal place, up to two decimal place बता दो यार, because I feel answer will come little bit large. That's why I told you up to one decimal place, but give up to two decimal place, up to two decimal place. Tell me beta answer beta Shan Mukherjee. 269.61 महीना. Very good beta महीना. 269.61. And here second. So after cutting all units, you cannot check. This is your homework for all questions. If I'm not cutting units here, then please check units, that after cutting you are getting in second or not. So this is your final answer. 269.61 second. Okay. So everyone crystal clear? So next part here in the problem number 153, not 3, it's 153. In the problem number 153, 153. Okay, so now again I'm changing something here, again I'm changing something here, again I'm changing something here. What I'm changing here? See, previously a 20 frames plate and frame filter press. Now if you next part here I'm adding in the problem number 153, if at the end of filtration a total filtrate volume of 3.37 meter cube, 3.37 meter cube is collected at a time of 269.7 seconds, same that you got, just you got. So now suppose in your examination this data is given there and they are not telling that please calculate this time. Now they are giving that total filtrate volume that is collected 3.37 meter cube in this time, and now they are writing the cake is to be washed by through washing in the plate and frame filter press. See my dear students, maybe in your examination they are not going to write this line by through washing. They will just write the cake is to be washed in the plate and frame filter press. By default you have to use 1/4 term there, because this is plate and frame filter press and here through washing done, here through washing done from different channel. And now written using a wash water, that means here written the wash water amount, here they are giving the wash water amount. okay, equal to 20% of filtrate volume. That means wash water used is 20% of 3.37 meter cube. Calculate the time of washing and the total filter cycle time if cleaning the filter takes 25 minutes. क्या बात है, कितनी ही खतरनाक कहानी. Fantastic, mind blowing, super. Now it is complete question, यार. The things that you had learned, see how beautifully I make this question. All things comes here in this question. So how you are going to solve this, beta? Just you need to calculate. You need to calculate here few things like rate of washing first. So data's extracting total filtrate volume collected. So total filtrate, that means final, it is given 3.37 meter cube, and here time written 269.7 second. The cake is to be washed by through washing in the plate and frame filter press using volume of wash water. So wash water used is also there. Wash water used, it is also given there. How much? 20% of filtrate volume. So 20%, that means zero point 0.2 into 3.37 meter cube. This is wash water used. Time of washing, now you need TW, time of washing, and the total filtration time, capital TF, total filtration time. Okay, this one required in second and this one required in minute. No need to worry here. Very very easy. Very easy to solve here. Very easy. Now how to solve this, beta? Time of washing, TW. You know how to calculate it here. How to calculate it? Wash water used, wash water used, or washing liquid used upon rate of washing. Rate of washing. Now how to write wash water used? Already you know, zero point 0.2 into 3.37. Now, how to write this rate of washing here? Yeah, this rate of washing will be 1 by 4 of KPVF plus B. And my dear students, here writing about problem number 153. That means you have to use KP new and B new here. Okay. So here 1 by 4 into 1 upon KP. What is KP new? KP new is 37.93. 37.93 into wash water 3 point final rate of final total filtrate collected, that is 3.37 meter cube, and plus B new 17.09. यही था ना रे भाई? Just check it. Oh, 16.09. लगा कुछ गड़बड़ हो रहा है, तभी हम तुरंत देख लिए यार. 16.09. Now just one equation, one unknown. Please solve this and tell me answer. Because everything is written in second. Time you are taking in second, so automatically you will get answer in second. Tell me how much second? कितना second है भाई? Tell me how much second? And maybe they can ask just rate of washing, so that can also be calculated easily. यहाँ केवल rate of washing भी पूछ सकता था. Here answer written by me, it should be 384 second approx. 384 second approx, already calculated by me. नहीं इतना छोटा नहीं आएगा रे भाई. Okay, see this is 1 by 4, so these all terms will be in numerator na, so answer will be a little bit large. Beta kiya tha, your calculation is wrong. Okay, so it will be 384 second approximately. Now if someone asks you what is the value of total filter time, TF, so in TF you are going to add filtration time, you are going to add washing time, you are going to add cleaning time. Okay, yeah, very good beta Roshna, absolutely correct. 387.9, 387 आ रहा है, चलो 387 लिख लो. Confirm हो? ये वो फिर से चेक कर लें क्या? हम्म, 37.93 into 3.37 plus 16.09 into 4 into 0.2 into 3.37. It is coming 387.9 and 388. Oh, 388 लिखा था, लग रहा है 384 पढ़ लिया हमने उसको. It's 388. It's coming 388 beta. Not 4, it's 88. Okay? Yeah, very good, very good. No, no, 382.9 is not correct beta. Exactly 387.999, like this value is coming. So how to get total filtration cycle time? Filtration time, how much? It's 269.7 second. 269.7 second plus washing time, how much? 388 second. It's 388 second. Cleaning time, how much? 25 minute and once in minute. Okay, 25 minute. So please convert this also into minute, this also into minute. Now your answer is in minute. Okay, चलो इसको निकालो जरा. Very good बेटा, क्या था? Absolutely correct. So 269.7 by 60 plus 388 by 60 plus 25, it will be 35.96166666. So 35.96 up to 2 decimal place, 35.96. Very good beta, kiya das. 35.96 961 minute. So 96 minute. This is your next answer. बोलो बेटा, सभी लोग को समझ में आया? एवरीवन फीलिंग कंफर्टेबल एंड क्रिस्टल क्लियर इन दिस कंप्लीट क्रिस्टलेशन, सॉरी, फिल्ट्रेशन टॉपिक? सभी को क्लियर? ओके, सो वन मोर क्वेश्चन. See today this should be final question. Okay, so just read it. I will solve here because just only few 2 minutes left. और यू वांट टू टेक इट एज अ होमवर्क? इसको होमवर्क लोगे जिसे हम लोग कल डिस्कस करें नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में? प्लीज टेल मी एवरीवन, टेक इट एज योर होमवर्क. Okay, because very less time is available. Okay, so just take it as your homework. And this is not that homework that means you need to discuss later in doubt clearing session. This is the homework that I will discuss tomorrow at the start of lecture. और अभी लेक्चर अभी खत्म कर दें इसको, ऐसे ट्राई करोगे? हम चाहते हैं आप ट्राई करने का आपको टाइम दिया जाए. ओके, सो जस्ट ट्राई इट, जस्ट ट्राई दिस. ओके बेटा, a typical batch filtration cycle consists of filtration followed by washing. One such situation, filtration unit operating at constant pressure filters. So lots of data are available there. So please solve this. Okay, so this question will discuss in next lecture. इसे next lecture में देखेंगे. Okay, yeah, you can take this time as homework, but just you have 2 days night or till next lecture, that means tomorrow. And after this, homework question is also there, 157 to 158 168. So this is 157 to 161 number, 57, 58, 59 and 60, 61, these 5 questions. And after that, this problem for 2001. ओके, इसको भी चाहो तो आज ही लगा लेना यार, उतना लंबा ये नहीं कि 2 दिन 3 दिन ट्राई मारे. आज का सब खत्म कर दो होमवर्क, सारा होमवर्क लिख के. एंड दिस वन ऑल्सो ब्यूटीफुल प्रॉब्लम आस्क्ड इन गेट 2002 in a filtration. See how large numericals asked from this topic, filtration. Okay, very important chapter. And after this, this is one beautiful MSQ regarding previous chapters. Is characterization of solid particles. This is from size reduction chapter. Just 1 mark question I make, and this is also from size reduction chapter. This one is also, this one is also, That's it. So because very few questions are there, so please try to give answer keys. uh, Latest by tomorrow I will give answer keys by tomorrow 1:30 to 50, and all these questions I will give answer keys tomorrow. कल आपको आंसर की यहीं दे देंगे. ओके, लाइव लेक्चर में ही दे देंगे. डन बेटा. सो फॉर टुडे दैट्स आई थिंक enough for you. Okay, so everyone beta, please tell me everyone enjoyed today's lecture. If you want rank 1, rank 100, any rank between these two ranks, my dear student, you know revision is the key. I must do my revision daily. 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 Beta. Definitely in this manner you will be able to join your dream job. Okay. चलो, so सभी को clear है? Everyone enjoyed today's lecture. इसको भी इसके अंदर ही डाल देते हैं. ओके, इसमें से जिसमें भी डाउट होगा, या चलो इसको कल लगाया जाएगा स्टार्ट में. अभी आप इसको लगा लेना, लेकिन आई विल डिस्कस इट बाय टुमारो. एंड दीज होमवर्क क्वेश्चन आई विल डिस्कस इन सेपरेट डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशन ओनली. ओके, just send me question numbers like you had sent in a telegram channel. I will prepare slides again, and one more lecture I arranged for just for doubts, and in that I will solve complete numericals, 1 to like 200 something question we solved in this live session. Then just give me question number, I will solve there in doubt clearing session. Thank you sir, thank you sir, you are welcome beta. So very very happy good night to all of you beta. Take care, love you all. Don't forget to complete your homework beta, latest by tomorrow, that means before next lecture. Take care, love you all.